Yo, what's good, traders, man? As you can tell, I've got myself a little bit of a sore throat, but we have to do what we need to do. So, welcome to episode 8 of the Traders Reality Projections, man. All right, so I'm going to get straight into it. Ethereum. If you had watched yesterday's projections, you would have anticipated that Ethereum was going to come into this zone. All right, so I do advise you go through each and every one of the projections video. Why? Because we're relaying the story. We're talking of the journey that each coin is going to make. All right, we label out all the variables and confluences that are going to work in our favor. All right, and we put them straight to the test. All right, and we just wait for it to play out. We understand that Ethereum right now is in a peak formation right here. So we anticipate what? We anticipate rise level 1, retrace, rise level 2, retrace. Now, the issue is this level 1 rise, fair enough. It was a level 1 rise, okay? This one here. And then coming out of the zone, it did come straight back in, okay? So for me, I'm not really satisfied that this is a clean level 2 break. However, this move here, this breakout here, needs to continue higher for me to validate that this breakout will be the true level 2 breakout. So it just pulled back ever so slightly, but notice what's happened. The rise from level 1 instantly came back, all right? It wasn't a clear break. Now, if you noticed in the video yesterday, all right, I said that this move right here, as much as it looks like a great breakout from level 1, all right, it started from down here. I need it to be building up progressively like this, okay, so that when the breakout happens, it pumps out and moves completely out of the zone. All right, so it's really important that you go watch that last video so that you can understand the context that I'm delivering this at. All right, so we spoke yesterday about this previous zone. Now we've been catching zones all week, guys. You know, Bitcoin's been, let's have a look at Bitcoin quickly. I mean, look, man, Bitcoin has been coming lower, man. She's been pulling back. There is something going off with Ethereum. Bitcoin is not giving us the right behavior that we anticipated. All right, she has come out and broken this previous zone. All right, so the W formation on Bitcoin right now appears to be invalidated. All right, but it actually has come back in. All right, so we have effectively got ourselves a 1, 2, 3, an inverted head and shoulders. All right, we have to be aware of what's going on with Bitcoin right now, because at a moment's notice, Bitcoin could actually continue lower and form the final leg of level 3 before she actually makes the return to the upside. All right, so we've got to be very careful. Notice how Ethereum is calling the shots. All right, Ethereum is looking to make more highs. If we just flip over to Litecoin, what are we seeing there? Because usually Litecoin likes to lead out. I mean, look, man. Look at what's going on. Straight pullback. We're anticipating this previous zone to be hit. If you notice that all the coins are pretty much stuck in their range except Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum, she's above its psychological high. Right? She's come out of the zone. This is where they set the spread for the start of the week, where the market makers effectively establish, you know, all their positions in this range here. So it takes the first high of the session and the first low at the start of the week. So that's usually 12 a.m. Sunday night. All right. That's when they first open the markets in crypto space, set the high and set the low, and they work that range. Notice what's happened. Ethereum has worked in a pattern, and now she's looking to come out of the range. All right. So market makers are showing us that they favor higher prices. All right. XRP holding the zone. Yeah, you can see it. They are holding. They're holding the zone. Bitcoin seems to be the only one, all right, that is not showing me strength. Maybe because she is actually forming the final leg. Because we've been saying this week, they've got the M formation, drop rise level 1, drop rise level 2, drop level 3, okay, peak formation. All right, we were saying that this could be a level 2 extension. Are we waiting for the final leg? Is this the moment? Because it's staying in line with the previous low right here. Tapped it, came back. We're at the pivot. So we're only going to know if they're going to take price higher on Friday. All right. So we've got to be very careful with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I mean, look, the fact that both Bitcoin is dropping and Ethereum is rising is just a different level of disparity right there for me. It's not very often we see that. Something is being manipulated. But that's the nature of the game, guys. We have to accept that, you know? So, Ethereum coming out of the peak formation, rise level 1, rise up. Okay, I'm waiting for this consolidation. This is rise level 2, but it came straight back down into the zone. So I'm waiting for a correction, a clear break to the upside, and then a pullback to confirm level 2. That, in my opinion, is what I want to see. All right. But what we may see is the zigzag-like behavior because they came out of the zone straight away and then instantly brought it back, showed support. All right. For me, I need to see, you know, consistent pushes away from each high that is established, because when it comes out and brings it straight back in, for me, that's not what I want to see. I want to see clean breaks away from the 50. All right. So she's pulled back once, twice. I'm anticipating that she continues higher. All right. So we've got the London sessions just kicking off 9 a.m. Well, 10 minutes past 9. And we're going to see how the UK respond to effectively this play by Ethereum. All right. We are approaching the highs, man. Ethereum is at near enough the highs. So it's going to be a very interesting session for us. All right. Okay. I hope that covers everything for you guys. It's going to be a short and sweet video. And we'll be back in tomorrow with the projections. All right. Cool. Speak to you later.